So, why did the chicken cross the road? I don't know, Link. Why did he? To get to the other. I've always wanted to do that. I have always wanted to do that. Now, you. Where am I? I don't know. Besides, you just killed my best friend. Why should I tell you anything? Link! No! You're gone. You. What? Whoa! 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 Wow! Hey! You're not supposed to do that to Mario. Only Mario is supposed to do that to you. That. Well, that wasn't very Sparta-like. Ah, well, I'll just dispose of this mess. If there's anything my mama taught me, is to clean up your messes. Alright, now where am I? Hyrule. Now get out of my face, you killer. I need to be alone. Look, the dude's always bothering everybody. How could you even hang out with that guy? He's the only one that understands me. Ow! What the? Oh! Oof! What the? Oof! Oh! Help me! Oh! Ooh! Everyone knows the bee attack is the most sucky. Whoa! I'm flying! What? What? You're making a video game without me? Who makes a video game without Mario? Everyone loves Mario. Everyone loves Mario. Everybody. Except Luigi. He's just a wuss. Whoa, wait, you had a fight with your brother? You're Mario and Luigi. You never have fights that aren't soup accumulated. Oh yeah, and why aren't you in any other game than Kid Icarus, Kid Icarus 2, and now you're in Brawl? Who does that? I mean, hello, no one has 2 games and then leaves the series. I don't know if they're making another Kid Icarus game for the Wii, but they better be, because then your butt will be saved and will be featured in a whole ton of other video games. Okay? You got that? Now goodbye. And one other thing. I never liked you. Good shot. Ow. me. Your mom, your brother, everything. Everything that you once had and everything that you will have. Here's one word for you. Forget about it. No one says forget about it to me. I'm Kid Icarus. Good night. And one other thing. Who names their kid Pit? And take that. Goodbye.